So this runs back and forth, and the limit switches here trigger it. This one right here runs it the other way. There's a couple missing slides here, I think. That should trigger the limit switches. It might have to be added depending on how you want to use it. But as you can see, the limit switches do trigger it, so that's something to know. And you can start it off in either direction. And then this switch turns on or off. Turns on this right here, and that one runs this motor for the outside diameter grinding. And 584 is as low as it goes. So I'll ramp it up here. Takes a little bit, but it goes up to, I believe, almost 3,000. We'll see how high it goes. I'm not exactly sure. So there you have it, 3208 is the highest run. Switch forward and reverse right there, just by hitting the forward reverse button. And then this one runs the pump. There's no, this is the nozzle where it would come out. The pump is down behind, I'll show you. There's nothing on it, but that turns on the, either whatever fluids you run through. And there's the main motor for the big wheel right here. We'll do a little walk around and look at all that up close. There's all the switches, the e-stop, your buttons. You run this one way and the other way. And here's controls for that. Here's the pump. That runs just fine and pumps okay, but as you can see, it doesn't have a container, so you can have a bucket or whatever you choose to put on underneath that. There's the controls. Turn that on again. Look at it up close. Oh, I guess I have to turn on the power down here. Make sure these are all okay. Here we go.